Welcome to this short introduction to iDiscover. iDiscover is the name of the college's discovery service and online library catalogue. Many of our resources can be accessed through this service. Using your college username and password, you can access iDiscover 24/7, anytime, anywhere, provided you have access to the internet. You can use your laptop, desktop computer, or a smaller device such as your phone or tablet. When accessing off campus, one of the most common access routes is through the college's NRCI page, which I will now demonstrate. In your search bar, key in NRCI. Our NRCI page should appear as the first result. Click on this, and you will be directed to the home page, which contains information and access to key college services. Scroll to the bottom and you will then see our iDiscover logo. There are login instructions as well as links to support guides, which you can access anytime. To log into iDiscover, click on the Login tab and you will then be directed to a login box. Students need to log in with their student ID number. This is usually the number that begins with 600 or 6000, followed by your college password. If you're a member staff, you will need to log in with your staff user ID, followed by your password. For students, you only need to enter your student ID number. We do not need you to enter your email address. So I've entered my details and I'm now logging into iDiscover. Okay, so we're now on the homepage of iDiscover. iDiscover will let you access, view and search the library's online resources and print catalogues. You can use the search bar. For example, you can search by keyword, title or author. At the top of the homepage, what you'll see is a menu bar that contains all of our online and digital information resources. This is particularly useful, for example, if you just want to view one of our ebook collections. Instead of searching the entire contents of the iDiscover platform, we have two ebook platforms, EBSCO and eBook Central. I'm just going to click into EBSCO eBooks. I'm now on the EBSCO ebook platform where I can browse and search the ebook titles within this particular area. Here you will initially see some highlights. In other words, those titles that are very popular in the college are well used, in addition to the featured ebooks that have been recently added to collections. I'm just highlighting that, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see those. You can use the search bar to search for any words or topics to find books within this particular area also. You can browse the ebook collection by category. There are a range of other features within both of our ebook platforms that are further explained in our video tutorials section within your NRC LibGuides page on campus, and I will point out where that is located towards the end of this video. So I'm back on the home page of iDiscover, and what I'm going to do now is click on our eBook Central platform, where you'll see a slightly different interface. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for study skills. So I've keyed in study skills and then I'm going to click on the search tab. So as you'll see here, we've quite a lot of book results for this particular topic of study skills. If, for example, you just want to read the book, you can click on the link here to Stella Cottrell's The Study Skills Handbook. You can refine your search. So if, for example, you're just interested in some books were published in 2022, you can refine your search by clicking on that box. If you just want to open that ebook straight away, you can click on the link and that will take you into the ebook. And within each book, you can perform a range of functions as well, but that will be covered in a separate video tutorial. You can read the book online straight away, you can look through the table of contents, and you can do a range of other things also. We're back on the home page of iDiscover again. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on our e-journals tab. So this will take you into an A to Z list of all of our academic e-journals. So this list is particularly useful if, for example, you were studying a module in anatomy and physiology, you could just click on the link and it would take you into all of the journal publications that we have pertaining to that particular subject. The number in brackets beside that tells you how many there are. So we have 35. So if I click on anatomy and physiology, a list of titles will be displayed. We also have direct links to all of our other resources, such as our subjectee databases. We have a new service called Flipster Magazine, so that takes you into an online magazine collection, as well as further help and support that is available through our LibGuides tab, and I will be showing you how to access that towards the end of this video. Okay, so I'm now going to perform a quick search on iDiscover. So we're going to look for study skills, resources on study skills, and I'm going to search by title this time. Click on search. And what you'll see here are quite a large number of results. We have 19,307 results. So you would never be expected to be able to read all of those. But what you can do, which is really handy, is you can narrow or you can refine your results using the tools on the left-hand side of the screen. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just interested in print books. So I'm going to click on Show More. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select books and then click on Update. So what you'll see here are a list of books. The first one here, the Study Skills Handbook. If I wish to learn more about that particular book, I can click on the link and it will provide a summary. Before I do that, I'd just like to point out the location of this particular book. So if it's a print book, the location of the book will be displayed underneath the location menu. And if it's a book, it will simply say book. If that was an ebook, it would state that it was an ebook. So I'm just going to click on that result and we can see there's a little more information about that particular book. So it gives us a short summary, some notes, as well as further holdings information. If, for example, you look at that book and you go, great, that would be a really useful book for me, you can request that through our click and collect service. And you can do this by selecting the click and collect option, which is located on the menu bar. I'm going to click on that just to show you what that looks like. So what you'll need to do is to work your way through the form. Please note that the system does not currently pre-populate your choice, so you will need to enter some details. So I'm just going to work my way through the form here. So I have decided that I definitely would like to request this book. Then what you need to do is you need to select the campus library that you would like to collect the book from. So in this case, I'd like to collect this book from Macrofelt. Of course, all of the details that I'm entering in here are fictional. And then you would enter your student number, followed by your college email address. And after that, all you have to do is click on the Submit tab. After you've done this, a librarian will get back to you regarding when the item or items are ready to be collected. For clarity, it is usually best to complete one form per each book request, and please do allow 2 to 3 days for processing. However, you will be notified by way of email when the book is ready to be collected from the campus of your choice. However, if you don't wish to use the click and collect service, that's absolutely fine. You can also email nrc.library@nrc.ac.uk or call in and see us, and we will help you to make a request or help you to find the book that you need. I'm currently on our library services webpage, which you can access within the College Life section on the college's website. So if you go onto this page and you scroll down, you will see all of our library contact details here. So it's absolutely grand if you want to request a book that way. For more help and information, you can visit the library catalogue page on Canvas. This can be accessed from the LibGuides menu on iDiscover. I'm just going to access that now, and I will be directed to the welcome page of NRC LibGuides. If you scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you will see there is a library resources section, which I'm currently highlighting. And if you want to find out more information about iDiscover, click on Catalogue. If you wanted to watch some video tutorials, for example, on ebooks, click on ebooks. I'm now going to click on Catalogue. And what you'll see here is some information around how to use the key features of our discovery service. So there's an overview here, and then there is a link to the Click and Collect book request service and some information around how to access, as well as a video library on how to use iDiscover. I hope this video has been helpful. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you require any help in using this resource. Thank you for watching.